it's Cinda Unique here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is December 19, 2021 and I'm doing a quick room tour. We're here in Bellagio, Las Vegas, so come on in. First is here in the restroom. So as you can see, we have a spacious shower over here and the sink with the toiletries and the mirror and the towels and the toilet, of course, and then the telephone. Next is here, we go outside, you can see the mirror over here, my operator, and this one is the switch for automatic blind. So you can press this one to open. Wait, no. See, look. It will just automatically open. And you can press stop if you want to stop right there. So if you want to close back, we'll close. So next is here in our bedroom, our king bedroom. Over here. It's pretty huge. And this room is, what you call this one? It's like new, like modernized room. And this one is
the new one.
Yeah, the new one. This one is the
renovated one.
The, what you call this one? The
mini bar.
Mini bar.
But it's not complimentary, then it got sensors. So just if you want to get some, I mean, you can just pick whichever you want to get, but don't just pick each one because it'll charge you automatically. I mean, that's just how it is here in Vegas. Pretty much almost every hotel has a sensor on their minibar. So
we have the couch, and then
got the couch.
This one for the ice.
Some cups, and we got the TV. Probably I think around
TV. Then let me
55 maybe.
Let me open the blinds for you.
So this is the bed. You got the closet over here and a safe.
Here, the closet. To put your things.
Got safe and a closet here. Got some. So here's our view from the view from our room. We got the premier king room. I think that's what it's called, with the fountain view. Pretty nice. We got the view pairs over there, or Vegas made pairs. And so today is a Sunday. On the weekend, the fountain will what do you call this? Turn on every 30 minutes. And you also can tune in to channel 22 on your TV, and you can hear whatever music they're playing outside, and you can also hear it from your room. So it's pretty cool. We were able to watch one of them earlier. Other than that, we got some water. You got some CVS over there, Walgreens, Target. It's always cheaper. I mean, if you want to save some money, to buy it over there. And now we booked our room through the Amex Fine Hotels and Resort. We got this room for about $200 after taxes, not including the resort fee. But if you book it through the Amex FHR or Fine Hotels and Resort, you get $100 of food and beverage credit, which you could use at over 120 MGM restaurant. All you gotta do is just scan that QR code, and you'll see the list of the restaurant that qualify. All you have to do is just charge it to your room. And on top of that, we also get the $30 daily breakfast credit for up to 2 persons. So for 2 of us, we get a total of 60. So in total, we get 160 total of food and beverage credit. If you book it through FHR, you get also a late checkout, which we probably gonna use tomorrow before we move to another hotel. let's see, you get $5 daily Wi-Fi credit because that's already charged on your resort fees. So they're gonna take out $5 at the end because that was part of the benefits. So I think resort fee is gonna be around 45 total. So for the room in total, I think it's gonna be around 245. And we got the complimentary upgrade with the fountain view and the newer rooms. So I think that's already worth it. And on top of that, we get the $160 credit for food and beverage. So I mean, we pay about what, $90 total, but this, I think, for $90 for the view and the food credit, I think it's already worth it. But yeah, so far we like our room, and
Yeah, I like our room.
and I think it's pretty nice.
It's nice with a view.
We came here last year. We saw the fountain from outside. I think it's gonna be nice to see it from a different, angle. So we'll see later whenever the fountain turn on. See which experience is better. But other than that, friends, that's all for our room tour. So you got the couch, got the king bed, bigger TV, and newer. I mean, it's a lot brighter than the old resort room. So that's it for our room tour at the Bellagio,
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas. That's all, friends. Anything you want to say?
Hope you enjoy my quick room tour, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. It's Inda Unique, and see you in my next vlog. Stay hydrated and God bless, friends.